Today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, which is Hoisin chicken udon noodles. Alright, so to get things started, we're going to start off with one onion, cut in half, and then we're going to use half of it and just slice it up. Then we're going to take around 10-ish mushrooms. And then optionally, you can take off the stems, but you can leave them on. And just slice these. And then finally, we're going to take 2 cloves of garlic and just mince them really quick. Once that's all fine and dandy, I have here a chicken drumstick and then a chicken thigh. So we're just gonna debone them and then cut them into bite-sized pieces. And then once we have that, we're just going to season with a little bit of pepper and then call it a day for these ones. And the most important part, the sauce. So what we're going to do here is take 1 spoonful of sesame oil, 1 spoonful of hoisin sauce, 1 spoonful of dark soy sauce, and 1 spoonful of light soy sauce, and then additionally another spoonful of Saracha. So once that's all in, just mix it up and then your sauce is good to go. And then we're going to cook 2 packets of udon noodles for this recipe. You can cook 1 or 2, doesn't really matter, and then just cook to the packaging. Mine took around 2.5 minutes, and then just strain them after. Next, we're going to move on to cooking the chicken. Make sure your oil is hot before you put it in, and just put your chicken in. And then around 2 minutes in, once it's nice and golden brown, just flip them and then cook them all the way through. Once they're done, take them out and then leave the oil in, and we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients in this single pan. So first we're going to add in our mushrooms and then cook these down until they're nice and golden brown. This should take around 5 to 10 minutes-ish on medium heat. And then we're going to take our onions and garlic and add these in until they're nice and softened. So around like 2 to 3 minutes. Once they look kind of like this and they're nice and soft, we can add in back our chicken. Cook it a little bit and then add back our noodles. And finally, we'd like to add in our sauce and then just mix everything up, and it's pretty much done. I just like to cook it a little bit longer here, just to cook off the excess sauce and to just make sure it sticks to the noodles a bit more. And then optionally, I like to garnish with some green onions, and that's about it.